Hey guys, me Maia, and today's video is going to be a nail room slash aesthetics room vlog of me making it. I don't even know what to call it, but it's basically just a creating my nail room slash aesthetics room vlog. It's gonna be long. It's gonna go over a long duration of time. I filmed my boyfriend and I making the desk here. I showed you guys that I bought the stuff behind me here, but I didn't show us putting it together because it was just a lot. I didn't want my camera running for so long.
Box boy, but I'm like, oh God.
And I tell her, Oscar, water. Hey, way that you looking, you make me forget my problems. But I won't play games with you, baby. You know I got you. Enough of them people talking. I let them see you walking. You know the way I want you. So I told her slow down. Box boy got me saying, oh God. Way that she whine and she go down. Feel like I'm ready to go now. Little mommy gave you wet, so she know that she got me weak. Deep, so deep like an odyssey. Bad little mommy, what you got for me? Like yeah. And ooh. The way that your body is rocking, you like how I do. Yeah. I hope you know I'm in the mood. Oh, you're the finest girl here in the room.
Yeah, you're the one for me. I'm really feeling like I'm abandonee. Baby, can't you see? Ain't no one in this world that compares to thee. Yeah, and you rockin' designer. They ask me how much, I'ma say you my entire world.
But today I'm basically going to just like start putting all of my supplies away. So it's gonna be like a little haul in this right now. I'm gonna show you everything I've been buying. It's a lot of stuff. This room does not have a light. No rooms in my basement have overhead lights, so I have this lamp here for now, but I'm gonna get a better lamp, so I'm not gonna show you guys that anymore. This is a fan my mom gave me, so I'm gonna use it to help ventilate the acrylic smell because I only have this tiny window and it's gonna be hard to get the smell to go out the window. What my boyfriend and I did yesterday was we put together this shelf that I got at ESC. My mom gave me that sign for my birthday. You might have seen it in my birthday vlog if you watched it, but we put together this shelf. I'm gonna get baskets in it to put like my towels, just like things I don't want people to see but I will need close on hand. It's not gonna stay here. I just kind of have everything thrown out, like thrown it around the room. Then my mom and I got these organizers from Michael's. She bought me this one. This is going to be my pedicure caddy when I am set up for pedicures because I can roll it around with me. I can have like, you know, foot scrub, all my stuff on it. And then I have this one that's going to carry most of my polishes and nail art acrylic powders because they're shallow but deep enough for a polish to stand up. And yeah, so the theme of this room is like mint, green, white, and like I guess black and silver, just because black chair. To start off the haul, I'm going to show you what's over there. That's my practice hand. It's going to be moved onto this desk once I get everything together, but I had it there for now. But I bought that on Amazon, and I will have so many links down below because trust me, I've been ordering a lot off of Amazon. And here are all my implements. These are not necessarily from, no, they're not from Amazon. They are from school because I'm in school for aesthetics, so we got all these supplies. Then in here, that what is from Amazon are these Dappen dishes that I have to clean because they have like acrylic or like, you know, acrylic stuff on them, so all of this has to be cleaned. I'm gonna do that today. Then my school gave me this Profiles drill. I don't recommend this drill. It's not very good. It's kind of breaking apart already even though I just got it. This is not from school. I bought this. This is the nail drill vent, so when you're filing it can suck up the debris because it's a lot when you do filing. Then they gave us this Light Elegance light. I bought these buffers because buffers are single-use items. You're not supposed to reuse them. If you go to a salon and they reuse them, especially during COVID, like, nah, that's disgusting. I'm going to be using these two big ones for personal use and for like practicing because I'm not going to obviously get new ones every time I do my own nails. I can just keep the same one. And then I don't know how many's in here, but a good number of buffers from Amazon. I have some cuticle oil from Super Nail. This is not bought online, but you can find that anywhere. Cuticle remover from Super Nail as well. Then I have some Acrylics Soak Off Gel Nail Polishes. This is their brown nude kit. I got this one on their site and I hate these colors. I just recently purchased Beetles polish, but they won't be here until August, which sucks. But Macart colors always appear to be more vibrant than they are. Like, imagine every color with an old lady tinge, you know what I'm saying? So they're kind of ugly. Obviously somebody will like them. I'll keep them. Then in here I have the Blooming Nail Gel Polish Set. These are like alcohol pigments that you can use for marbling. I've never used it, so I'm going to practice with that soon. Those look like they're nice. Here I have the Orly Gel Builder in a Bottle. I really wanted to try a builder in a bottle because builder with the brush just takes a long time. Next thing I have are, I think it's like 160 swatch rings. There's like 60 on each of these. I don't know, it's 100 and something swatch rings. Next right here I have this new gel brush because mine got messed up. This one's from Amazon, just a gel application brush. Haven't used it yet, but it looks really pretty. I like it. This box right here has been reserved for my art stuff. This is from Amazon, an ombre brush. Never used it, but I'm gonna try it soon. Then in here I have some Swarovski crystals. I got these holographic or like silver stickers on Amazon. They're not stickers, sorry. They're just like little decals. So there's like flowers, butterflies, letters, triangles, hexagons, just a bunch of stuff. I might make a silver acrylic with this. That'd be pretty. More crystals. And then tip is that if you want glitter, just buy glitter from Michael's. I just got a bunch of glitters. Oops. From Michael's. I have like 10 of these big ones in different colors. And then I have this set of glitters. They're smaller, really pretty colors. I like this one a lot. Moving on to this box because I've been working out of a box for far too long. I have a lot of tips. I have these, I guess, like nail colored tips from Macart. I like these tips. They're wellless, so they're super easy to blend. I have fingernails for my nail art hand. I have these Macart standing bands from Amazon. I will link that down below. I got these Macart drill bits. These are super cute. They're like unicorn. They match my gel brush. Clear acrylic powder. Right now I'm using all Mia Secret. So clear acrylic powder. Cover pink. I also have cover blush, wherever that is. I got these Mia Secret. I think they're called the Fruity Punch collection acrylics. Cuticle pusher sticks. Or orange wood sticks. I have some monomer. I even bought more, which I have to find somewhere in all this stuff. I have more monomer. This is the acrylic brush I have been using currently, but I have acrylic stuck in it. I have to wash it or like clean it out. Yeah, a lot of this stuff is like not new, not from Amazon, so I'm not going to go too much into the rest of it, but there is quite a bit more in the box. Then this is like my last haul that I have with me. My mom got most of this for me for my birthday. I got this Beetles, which how cute is this packaging? It's a Beetles Soak Off Gel Polish Kit. So it has these little things. So keep your thing on. A scraper so you can scrape off the gel polish or gel or acrylic even. I have a 100 grit file that I will use for personal use because it's just one. I'm not going to use it on the client. Then it has this 182 buffer, and I'm going to keep this for personal use as well. It came with this cuticle oil pen, which is so cute. I'm going to give it to somebody because I can't use it. It has oil I'm allergic to. And then no lint wipes that you can soak in acetone and wrap around the finger. I got a bunch of 180 to 40 files because files again are a disposable item, so you cannot use this on more than one person. So I bought a few. This again will last because again I don't know how many clients I'm going to be getting right away. Probably not many. For my local beauty supply store I bought gloves. I don't know how well these are going to fit, so I just bought 2 small packets. And I get discounts because I'm a student, so I'm gonna literally buy a bunch of stuff before I'm done school. I got this tubercular side cleaner. We use this in school. It is the Preempt CS20. More nail tips, I got full cover tips because I want to start making my own press-on. Then I got more of the clear tips that I showed you before from the cart, which I will have linked down below. I bought these little fruit off of Amazon because that's like the biggest one right now is little fruit. And my favorite is this one, the little grapefruit, I think. They look so cute. In here, I got holographic flame stickers off of Amazon. There's a lot of sheets in here, you can't tell, but there's so many different colors. And then I got some OPI Axiom colors. Oops. I got Aphrodite. I'm really excited for this Kyoto Pearl. I think it's going to be super cute. It is a white color. I got this super pretty Big Apple Red. Like, that's a beautiful shade of red. And I got this I'm indie, a mood for love.
And I like the way you move, baby girl, you are my desire, yeah. Go slow for me. He said tell the truth and I'ma set you free. So I'ma let you know what you do to me. You're the only one that completes my recipe. Ever since I was a child, you be my destiny. None of these girls are impressing me. I love you in the moments that you testing me. Ain't no doubt, girl, you the best for me. Yeah.
The way that your body is rocking, you like how I do. Yeah. I hope you know I'm in the mood. Oh, you're the finest girl here in the room. Touch the flow, baby, go. Better bring it back till I overload. Take it slow, on we go. Up and down like it's cardio. Yeah. And let it play. You heard people saying I'm talking with Desiree, and I'm just here to kill all the rumors and set it straight. You the only one for me and better in every way. What's up? Wondrous, baby coming through looking dangerous. And we travel around the world, call it wanderlust. With that PJ life, no one next to us. Yeah, hey, in God we trust. Steady coming through with the angel dust. Then you say you tryna see I was under what? I just tell them other boys it just sucks to suck. What's up? What's up? The way that your body is rocking, you like how I do. Yeah. I hope you know I'm in the mood. Oh, you're the finest girl here in the room.
Black and pretty with a crown like Tiana. Do you better than the Princess Diana. Shine so bright that you sparkle. Be my wife like Meghan Markle. Suited for your lane like your name is Rachel Zane. And I'm back again. I pull up in the city.
Okay, hey guys, so I just did quite a bit of progress, but I'm gonna stop the camera because I have a long way to go. If any of you guys are nail techs or do nails and know how to make the monomer not smell so bad, like if you have a dehumidifier or like just something that you recommend to subside the smell, please let me know because I know that's gonna be a struggle for me. Super excited with the way the room is turning out. Like, I'm literally so happy. I've never spent this much money on myself on things that are like not for me but like I need in my life. Like, I feel so like broke. Like, if I buy clothes or food, I don't feel that broke, but I'm buying this stuff, I feel so broke. But it's really fun, and I was telling myself that even if, like, you know, I don't get a lot of clients or if it doesn't work out, this is like a hobby of mine now that I super duper enjoy. And although it's an expensive hobby, I don't mind the fact that I spent all this money even if I don't get my return on it for a while. So super duper excited. I hope that by the time the summer is over, I can have clients. I'll be out of school. I'll only be working part-time at my other job, and so I can like do the two. And yeah, I'm super excited. So again, thanks for watching, guys. As always, my links are down below, so hit me up on Instagram. Follow my aesthetics page so you can actually see the nail sets I'm doing and my improvement and my practicing. Follow me on Snapchat. You know what it is. I say this in every video. As always, give the video a like, subscribe, and hit the bell button so you're notified whenever I upload a new video. And again, thank you so much for watching.